Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Weston-super-Mare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features a lovely panoramic glass roof. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.